Welcome, dear viewers. This is an initiative about continuing nursing education, a series of videos on COVID-19 from the Department of Nursing at NIMHANS, which is an institute of national importance in India. And this has a combination of videos, PowerPoint slides and demonstrations, and it is meant specifically for nursing professionals and nursing students who belong to various academic programs in the country. So, the three faculty from the Department of Nursing, myself, Dr. Sai Lakshmi Gandhi, who is additional professor and head of the Department of Nursing, Dr. Prashanthi Natala, who is additional professor, and Dr. Radhakrishnan, who is the associate professor, will be talking on a range of topics ranging from what is COVID-19 up to the care of the patient with COVID-19 once he expires, care of the body. We have included demonstrations on how to put on and remove a N95 mask and also surface disinfection, which is done by Mrs. Rebecca, an infection control nurse working in the hospital infection control system. This is done in collaboration by the Department of Nursing with the Department of Neuromicrobiology. After listening to these series of videos, and let me remind you, you can take it at your own pace. Whichever video you want, you can open and you can listen to it. If you have any doubts or queries, you can always contact us, and you will find at the end one slide which gives our contact details, our mobile numbers and our email IDs. So, to start with, I will be talking about what is COVID-19, and before starting, let me express my emotions of appreciation, admiration and gratitude to all the nursing personnel, to all the doctors, the healthcare professionals who are at the frontier and battling against this COVID-19 war. This series of videos is dedicated to all the nursing community in the country and in the world. So, what is this COVID-19? Coronaviruses are a family of viruses which cause respiratory infections and are believed to cause illness in humans and animals. Some of these coronaviruses cause respiratory illnesses which range from mild, like the common cold, and going on to very severe forms like the Middle East respiratory infection syndrome and the severe acute respiratory syndrome, that is the SARS.